Hi everybody, my name is Pablo Moya. I am in the NOS 110 class, and today I would like to show you a Windows 8 PowerPoint presentation that I have prepared for you guys. In it, it shows a new feature of Windows 8 and some of its functions. Also, I like to talk about some apps I really enjoy and would hope you like them also. Okay, let's begin. The start screen. So pretty much Windows 8 is coming up with the start screen as its main user interface. This really new feature that it has, apart from all of its other operating systems. In it, we have applications that are into a tile format, and these tiles can be switched and moved around just to the user's liking. Alright. So something new out of the start screen is that it has the ability to quickly bring up files and folders by just typing characters on the keyboard. And as mentioned before, the tiles can be arranged in any way, but in the long run, it can help the user access applications a lot quicker and find them a lot faster. Also, the Charms bar is introduced to the start screen as a tool with many different tools to help the user access information quickly. Okay, here's an example of the type to search from the start screen. Here's a video to visually aid the steps. Okay, let's play it for you guys. So that's over there. There you go. So pretty much just on the start screen, I begin to type, and the word I'm going to type is word, but I begin with W-O-R-D typed, and as you can see to the left, I get closer to the final program that I'm going to be using. So if you really want to find something fairly quick, this is a very useful tool for you guys to have handy. Cool, let's go to the next slide. Okay, the Charms bar. Well, it came up here. Is how it displays in Windows 8. Here to the right. If you hover to the bottom or the right top or bottom of the screen, this is the thing you get. You also, I think, get a time and the date over here to the right. Here we have the search icon with a magnifying glass. This icon will take you to perform this same search we did before. So pretty much start typing just like we did before, and a bunch of programs will come up with what you typed. The share icon is some kind of, I guess, circle with points. I don't know what we call that, but well, this is used for sharing files, pictures with other computers in your network or just other computers in particular. The Windows start icon. This icon can take you from, well, it's represented by pretty much a blue window, but it can take you to the familiar desktop interface, as can the Windows key on your keyboard. Also another way I'll show you a little bit later, but this one can access the desktop screen. The next one is we have is the devices icon. It connects and configures all sorts of peripheral devices like printers, scanners, fax machines, etc. And finally, the settings icon represented by a small gear. This brings up computer settings to manage your PC. Okay, that's the Chalmers bar. Start screen practicality. How is that achieved? Well, the start screen, some apps in here are live, meaning they display information in real time. So as far as like the temperature, you can get real-time reading of what the temperature is, and 10 minutes later it could flip to the next image, and instead of 67 it could say 70, for instance. So you constantly are updated of what the temperature is, and many of these icons also will do that as well. Another way is that another form of practicality is that, like I said before, it offers a way to get back to the older desktop interface, and this desktop interface is the same one that was previous operating systems used before, so people can relate to it and just find an easier way to manage and use Windows 8. Here's just a small video that I like to visually aid you in how to get to this desktop. Those are the live tiles I talked about. And this desktop is displayed as app pretty much. Once you click it, you get to this screen right here. And it looks a lot familiar as you can see, Windows 7 or XP and previous operating systems for Windows. And pretty much that's how practicality is reached in the start screen. The start screen is resource. Using that as resource. Okay, let's see. Well, cool app that does offer resources while on the start screen is the Store app. Here it is right there. You can purchase apps or download them for free. Just pretty much you have a plethora of apps to choose from, ranging even from business, games, books, all sorts of fun little apps that you can get. And I have a video here to show you how to get to the store and some apps shown once you get there. Let's check it out. Alright, so just click on the store. And here we go. We have a bunch of apps here. Just go to the left here. We have games, finance, travel, productivity, tools, security, business. All these offer, just like I said, a range of apps. So here in the business, new and rising, you can see that we have a bunch of new and rising little apps for business that you can use in your everyday Alright, so top paid is, if you want to spend a little bit, but it can go a long way if you get one of these little apps for you whenever you want to use it. Just start screen offers a way to get to it. There you go. You can also start, like I'm typing here, Fresh Paint. It's an app that is free for Windows 8. It's pretty great. I like using it a lot, and I'll get into it in my next slide for you guys. Like I said, one of my favorite apps is Fresh Paint. It's really cool because it takes your creativity and puts it on a brush, pretty much. The messaging app is also pretty cool because it synchronizes with any messaging programs, so messages can be displayed on your screen. Here's the Fresh Paint app. This is just some stuff that I painted up and made look pretty fancy. And like I said, here's a little video of how the program is. And I won't go into the whole video because it's like about 5 minutes long, so I'll just get right into what I've done. Some mountains with some clouds and stuff, and it's pretty cool. It offers pretty much like you get a palette. Here's a palette. We have a bunch of different colors and you can mix them in there. That's what I'm doing right now. Choose your brushes, start painting away. Very relaxing. Alright, there's a finished Picasso painting for you guys. And like I said before, the messaging app displays incoming messages on your screen. So a lot of your Facebook messaging and Hotmail Messenger can have messages displayed up on here. I wish I could have had the message display, but I could bring up the message up here and display it for you guys. Alright, so this concludes my Windows 8 presentation and how the start screen feature is pretty great and how it offers. It's a new way to bring files fast through their search feature. The resources offers a bunch of resources with the store and practical experience for users so they can switch between the desktop and the start screen. Alright, thank you very much.